Welcome to our new video. As you see, it's our keyboard, and I show you that we extract the end key and felt and the back check. We have to put a new one. And we do it by sections. That's a base section. It's already on the table here, as you see. We put them together and we make them straight, and they go slightly on the curve. We put a paper because once we apply adhesive, we don't want to just make it dirty. And that's the felt, and that's the felt. We put it on the key end. Let me show you how we do it. We just cut it, make the size a little bit more, like that. Okay. And the first we apply the adhesive. We use this 3M extra strength, like that. We put it slightly on the top, a little bit, and then we put it on the end of the keys. Since it's a contact glue, we wait like maybe 20-30 seconds, and then we just put them together. As you see, it's just like we just get evenly over the felt, and then we can carefully just put it on the keys. Just squeeze it slightly. Now we can take the tape off. And now you see that's clean here. Yeah, basically you need just a proper tool to do it. Now it's just only scissors, but when we cut them, we use this razor blade. You see, it's on the handle, and it's just squeezed between the keys like that and cut the felt. Why we do it all together? Because on the Stanway they are different sizes, and it's almost impossible for you to match it unless you glue them together. And once it's already stick, just what do? You just cut through like that. It's a very sharp razor blade, and you see, it goes like that. There's no reason to do it fast. You just any way you fast. 5 more pieces left over. Yeah, of course you have to be careful. Just touch the key just only by the end, because it's a very sharp razor blade. Okay, we've done, and you can use these side cutters, just nipples, just to cut the excess of the felt, like that. See, like that, it's cut like that. And if you have excess here, you just cut it like this too. You see? Let's say another one. It's a little excess, and that's how you replace them. It takes a little bit. We just continue. Just cut all of them like that. Once we're done with this step, we replace our end key felt. Now it's time to put the damper Backchecks. Once we glue the key and felt, as you see it here, red one, we can go to the next step to press the Backcheck inside the old position. And the Backcheck, as you see, it's a little block of wood on the top, covered with a very durable leather, and the wire. You see the grooves here and the star in this direction. We press it inside. How we used to do it? We used to have a block, we put it inside and just pound like that. Just hammer it down. And as you see, it's a very complicated procedure. You have to be very careful. It's a lot of damage happen. Once you do it 88 pieces, yeah, you might be in trouble. Other way to do it, just to use the drill press, to press it inside. Again, you have to position the key in a proper way, and still a lot of damage. Now in this case, by doing it, yes, and like a lot of times, I designed this tool, and I show you how it works. You see, it's a simple design. It's a handle, of course adjustable because you can change the ratio. And once you put it down, the metal bar goes down and carry our back check. Here on the left side, it's a type of the cassette. It's except 24 pieces. Here, I take them from the box and install them. I take it, install, and it's exactly 24 pieces. You can install like that, and probably 3 more pieces. Now they in the cassette, and you release the tension. This level is just like push it on the right side, because later on they change automatically. I highly recommend to lubricate the tips of the wire, because once it's lubricated, then it goes between, it's like open the hole. It's not cut the wood, it just like goes really smooth and it's hold better. I use the petroleum jelly. It's very friendly. Now when it's 24 pieces installed, we can start to do it. We do it one by one, like that, you see? And we just like put it to the hole and just press it. And it goes exactly on the same height. The angle preset, it's adjustable actually. It can go to any type of angle. And they automatically slide to the right side. It means it saves you a lot of time, and of course it's very easy to do it. It's in a matter of minutes you can accomplish all set of the piece. Very accurate, comfortable, and we just, since you see how it works, you can make one for yourself, or maybe ask somebody to make it. This really just saves you a lot of time and energy. And the most important is very consistent, very accurate. So it's a pleasure to work with this tool. One more time. Yeah. And as you see, just in a matter of a minute, we can do it already. Almost all 24 pieces done. Once it's accomplished 24 pieces, we just like set another ones. This 4 times and you're done with the whole set of the piece. I have to admit that it's already probably like around 10 years I use this tool, and it's no repair, it works perfect. And that's why I just highly recommend you, as you see it, make it, probably you can use some linear bearings, or just it's your own design. But this tool definitely help you eliminate all the unpredictable things. No damage, very accurate and comfortable to work. Of course, thanks for watching our video, and we wish you all the best. Good luck.